Hello, everyone. Good morning or good afternoon. So, today I am going to teach you on how to download your video. Okay, so yes, there are many ways on how to download your video. So, here we are going to use the Y2Mate website. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is open any browser that you have there and type in www.y2mate.com. Okay, wait for the result. And this will be the features of your y2meet.com. Okay, so here in the dialog search box here, kindly type in the video that you want to download. So for example, I am going to download Tala by Sarah Hieronimo. So Tala by Sarah G. Okay, and click start and wait for the results. So here, I'm going to choose this one. So click download video. Okay, so another new tab will come out in your screen. So you can see there a lot of lists that you're going to download. So kindly choose the HD one and make sure that you are in the video list. Okay, kindly click the download one and download .mp4. If you're going to click that one, okay, this will come out in your screen. You just have to wait until the downloading process will finish. So that's all. Thank you.
I want